So once you have any JSON data, any software, just one second, control N, any software or any ERP that communicates through APIs, right? One can get compound data elements. So compound data elements basically means that you will get multiple data attributes. For example, when I extract it, suppose I get this select star from stage, this is from one ERP, right? Underscore daybook underscore temp. I extracted it, right? Control C, control N, control V. Okay. I do this and I go back here, inventory underscore analysis underscore 1. So now if I look at this one, this is a compound data. This is a compound data. Are you understanding it? This is containing the value as well as delimiter and quantity. Now this could become very complex, right? So now one way is to use substring or pat index or char index, which is a very complex way because this can have anything. The second way could be to use something called a string split, right? तो उसका मैंने एक सैम्पल एक मैंने चेक करके बना के दिया है. देखो, what I have done here is I take this from stage underscore daybook temp. I pick up the party name, order name, the stock order name, right? So from stage, then you put a cross apply and put string underscore split for which field you're taking rate and the delimiter is /. Is this clear? This cross apply would be coming out as value. Is this clear? Yes or no? Are you clear on this? So I say select, I say value, then I say, मैं इसको पूरा का पूरा कॉपी कर लेता हूँ. I'll just copy it, right? You don't need to know this. So I say party name, stock item name, right? From stage underscore daybook underscore temp. Now please replicate the same at your end because you also have the inventory underscore analysis 1 database. Then I say cross apply. Correct? I do cross apply. And then I say string underscore split. Which one? I'm looking at this rate. What is my string split parameter? This, that's it. Now what happens is with CT1 as. So the trick is that select star from CT1. So where the trick is that sorry dear. Yeah. So now the trick is that once you do this, then this is split. This quantity is here and this value is here. यहाँ तुम्हें समझ में आया कि नहीं आया? Is this clear? Can you replicate this at your end? Are you understanding it? So stage underscore daybook temp. If I look at the rate, right? If I look at the rate by quantity, now it is 296340 and quantity is in the second row. Clear? Clear? Then what happens is, in order to check, so now here I will put in a composite key. That means how the partition will take place. Because I need to add the row number. I'll explain this why I'm doing it is. So I pick this up here. So I say comma, party name, order name and the row number. So I put this here, order number, stock item by order number. So I put in a row number, copy this here, row underscore number over partition by party ledger name sales, order number, stock item name, order by this as row number 1. Just do that. Hello? Hello? So now what happens is that once you do it, now what happens is you're getting 1, 2, 3, 4. Now in case I need to select, say, the unit of measurement for the given, right, order number.
Yes, sir.
So what I will do here is that I will pick up, this is from select CT1. So what I will do here is that I will say CT2 as select distinct what value. Is this clear? From CT1. Okay, because this could be used extensively, because he might give you a lot of junk data. So he will say, boss, okay, this is what is coming. So if the client goes and says, okay, fine, my rate is 500 rupees 500 per kg. This is my suggested rate. He might give you this data. So what you would do is that based on what is his composite key here, you'll use string underscore split. Because I'll give you a JSON file. I'll give you a JSON column, and using JSON underscore query, you'll extract this data. Is this clear?
Yes, sir.
Right. Now just type it, because I'm just going a bit slow here, because some of the things I've just made sure that it is replicated before you actually work upon it. But just type this portion. Because I need you to know this row number, how it will be. So this will be your composite key for his particular data extract. Based on this, the row number, because it will partition by this.
Okay.
So in a normal case, what will happen is there will be multiple stock items. So this will be one item, this will be a second item, this will be a third item, and so forth. Let me just check whether I have it in any other database. I think I don't have it in any other database. Naito, I would have shown it to you. Right? Because this was tampered. I had prepared this with a tampering this thing. Correct? I had manipulated all the numbers. So select distinct value from CT1.
Sir, hello sir, I'm not understanding one thing is, मैं यदि वैल्यू में एक ही कॉलम में वैल्यू भी डाल रहा हूँ और क्वांटिटी भी सेम इसमें डाल रहा हूँ तो प्रॉब्लम नहीं होगा?
हाँ, that's what I'm trying to tell you. Where ordinal, that's what I'm trying to tell you. Where ordinal, suppose I say ordinal, बिल्कुल सही बात है. So where ordinal, ordinal होता है क्या? Ordinal होता है क्या होता है? एक मिनट, कुछ होगा ना इसका ordinal. तो ऐसे करेंगे ना. Where value, where row underscore number 1, ordinal, टू. ऐसे होगा क्या? कुछ ऑड होगा यहाँ, ऑड 2 होगा. टू. लेट मी जस्ट चेक 1 सेकेंड, क्योंकि उसको डिवाइड करेंगे तो ऑर्डिनल क्या बच रहा है ना, वो मेरे को चाहिए. 1 सेकेंड. ऑर्डिनल SQL सर्वर. No, there must be some way by which I divide by 2, na? ऐसे होगा क्या? This I'll have to just check how the ordinal works. This comes. Are you understanding it? What have happened?
Yes, sir.
And if I put 1, so I get this. If I get 3, so what you will have to do is, this is %2, this is equal to 0. So this is going to give you the ordinal value. So this comes out to be quantity. So this is my unit of measurement. So I get the unit of measurement like this. Right? Now let's look at rate.
Yes, sir.
Select star from stage underscore daybook underscore temp. Right, क्योंकि मेरा actually वो बैठ नहीं रहा था, because I had tried it using the C#, the daybook extractor, but मेरा यहाँ पे इसमें consistently बैठ नहीं रहा था. So I actually had scrapped that. Suppose I take the quantity, right? So now what I will do is, again I will go this. Now you'll have to do 2 queries. That is the problem. So I say Control C, Control V, and now I say here actual quantity, right? And the gap here is this. Now I say select star from CT1. Right? The string underscore split is what I'm actually just telling you, that how exactly it will work. But this might be required in your API project. So in the case of this given ERP, we have cleaned the data and got it from Tally. Right? But once you go into that API, he might say that, okay, fine, do it this way. Is this clear? And
Yes, sir.
and based on the composite key, then you generate the row number, and then based on that row number is what you pick up. So basically, if there are 2 levels, then you should be able to. In my case, what was happening was that this compound database could have 2, could have 3, could have 4, could have 5. So each time I had to do a customization. तो समझ आ रहा है? So in this
Yes,
rate,
sir.
he could add also the conversion parameter. कि this is equal to this much in dollars. तो मेरा वो settle नहीं हो पा रहा था. So for me, each time I had to do this and then customize the entire data warehouse and load. I don't want to get into that. So I've cleaned it in Tally, and I'm able to now get a plug and play module. So if it comes, then you can use this trick. Is this point clear?
Yes,
So string underscore split, I will put it up. You just be ready for it. It will come. In our API integration, it will come. So anything now, we will do it in XML and API integration. We will take it up with that. Now in the second case, for the product, what you can do is, so the way we have done it in stock item batch, no, we have done it in voucher, right? yesterday, keeping the companies. The same thing has to be replicated across the batch one also. Or you can try it out once because it should not get stuck. I'm repeating it again how it was done. I selected first the distinct company name from voucher inventory details. Right? Then
Yes, sir.
it could be 1, it could be 2, it could be 3. So suppose he has got 10, but he has loaded only 5, it will be just 5.
Hmm.
Is this clear? Then I put it into
Yes,
a
sir.
counter. Right. So then I generated a row number. Correct. Then put it into a counter. Okay.
Okay.
Then I selected the maximum value in the counter. Then this is there. Then display from and display to. This is declare company name as Vercat 255. Then I selected the company name where row number is equal to admin.
Hmm.
Then I picked up the minimum document date from this detail and minimum document date, maximum document detail here. Now I'm picking it from stage. So suppose he is picked up only for the last date. Because I can pick it up only for the last date also. I can say, boss, my incremental extract would be only for the last date. I can take it up that way, right?
Yes, sir.
So in the incremental extract, I would say only for the last day up karo. Right?
Yes, sir.
Then what I did was from ODS by company name, and this is greater than equal to this and this is less than equal to this. I deleted it. Then picked up the data from this date where this company name is there and inserted into ODS voucher details, whatever was this data. So this will take care of insert, update and deletes for all the companies.
Okay, sir.
If he has inserted in that data, it is fine. If it has updated, it is fine. Now my case is, what happens if there is a delete? Then it will not take place. No? No, it will take place, I think, take care of all the three things. So this has to be done across all of them. Okay. So now I'm just closing this session.